Carpet tiles, also known as modular carpets, are a modern flooring solution made up of small, pre-cut squares that can be laid individually to create a complete floor covering. Unlike traditional wall-to-wall carpeting, carpet tiles offer flexibility in design, ease of installation, and long-term practicality, making them a popular choice in both commercial and residential spaces. Pros of carpet tiles. One of the biggest advantages of carpet tiles is their ease of installation. They can be directly laid on most flat surfaces without extensive preparation, and damaged tiles can be replaced individually without disturbing the entire floor. This makes maintenance highly cost-effective. Carpet tiles are also known for their design versatility. Available in a wide range of colors, textures, and patterns, they allow creative layouts such as checkerboard, brick, or herringbone styles. This gives designers the freedom to create visually appealing and customized flooring. Another key benefit is durability. Carpet tiles are specifically engineered to withstand heavy foot traffic, making them ideal for offices, commercial areas, and public spaces. Many tiles come with stain-resistant and anti-static properties, enhancing their lifespan. They also provide acoustic insulation, reducing noise levels in busy environments like offices or conference rooms. Additionally, carpet tiles offer thermal insulation, helping maintain indoor temperature and improving comfort underfoot. Uses of carpet tiles. Carpet tiles are widely used in corporate offices, IT companies, call centers, and co-working spaces. They are also used in retail stores and showrooms to enhance the customer experience with stylish flooring. For educational institutions, carpet tiles provide a safe and comfortable environment in classrooms and libraries. In hospital, they are used in offices, auditorium, meeting rooms, conference room for their acoustics, aesthetic and modern look. Contact Raj Industries for carpet tiles.